camera got switched. We're using my camera right now. Hope you guys like it. And if anything, because we're gonna be, most of the time when we're vlogging, we're pretty much together.
It's my video, Nick.
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying.
It's my video.
It's his video. So
on his
camera. You guys are gonna go hide out on the stand over there while we go do some work.
But subscribe to you cars, because they're all my boys, and that's nobody.
That's a nobody. Yeah. Soapy water mixed. I know it says F11, but don't worry about that label. It's soapy water in here. And
so we clean it with, I clean it with Chemical Guys wipe out surface cleaner instead of alcohol, because we don't have alcohol rubs. So
it looks good.
Okay, so Nick confirmed it looks good. I'm not even in the camera. I need to squat a little bit. All right, but anyways, so wipe out, clean it, microfiber towel, and then after that it's clean. We're gonna, what are we doing, Nick?
We're gonna apply this. So what we have to do is I have to spray a good amount of soapy water.
All across it.
Yeah, all the way across. So right now, I am gonna go ahead and go grab a squeegee real quick, and we're gonna take the air bubbles out. What we're seeing is this here. Excuse me a bit.
I'm gonna move this down.
There you go. So you see that there's bubbles in the decal right now. That's because we have the soapy water that's underneath it. That's just perfect, which once I get the squeegee, we're gonna pull all of the bubbles out of there, and it should be fine. So what I was talking about with the roof line, you see this here? Right here, I told, because bending it around the windshield, the curvature of the windshield would not work. So what we do is you'd push the decal up and match it to, I'll get it. I will match it to the roof line there. So you see the roof line? What we're gonna do is the excess that goes overlaid on the top of the roof line all the way down, we're gonna cut it out, and we're just gonna stick it to just the windshield, and it should be just fine. So right?
Yeah. That looks so stupid. No, but that looks good. Just wait. Doing for IG stuff. Follow me at ShuPac23, like Tupac, but Shu, S-H-U, Pac. If you don't know how to spell Pac to like Tupac, then don't follow me. 2-3. That's simple.
Better do this right, Nick.
Whoa!
He looks like he's doing it really well, so hey, I can't blame him.
Yeah, you will. He's like, you jacked this up! Ruined!
Hey, this is the first time that we're doing this.
Well, YouTubers doing this for their RS. I'm the first one.
First one, number one.
Popping that virginity. When?
We're getting there.
Yeah, look at him. Look at him work. Look at him stroke that black decal.
It's so long.
And look at it. So soapy.
It's so long.
So soapy. You can go the other. Okay, yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
There you go. Do you.
So I'm slowly pulling everything one way.
This thing is heavy. I'm like carrying the whole tripod over here. I'm like about to be on the mic. Hello? Can y'all hear me?
You can take it off of there.
No, you can't.
Screw it that way.
What up? Ah, man. I just done working out and stuff, man.
What did you do on today?
I did chest and triceps and abs.
Oh, I like. Oh yeah?
That looks good though. Good job, Nick.
Working on it slowly, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trim off the excess here, but we gotta go
No, we gotta trim off the black decals. So you stroke it first, and then
You see all the white stuff is coming out?
you see all the water stuff is coming out because it's squirting out from the white or the black decal, and then yeah, and then you do that. You keep stroking until all the bubbles are out. All the water is out as well.
Of course, if you do have a heat gun, now would be the time too to kind of like get it to adhere to the window. I don't have one.
Yeah. So then there's that, and then after that we gonna shave it. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That's 101 over here. Well, I'm not too confident with this, bro.
Oh, come on now.
So you just cut out here, yeah?
Yeah, so where you see the outlines of
Okay.
Okay.
Well,
So this is what I was doing with the decal. I was getting the little squeegee and the little decal that you see there. So what I was doing is I was pushing out all the bubbles out of it. You see all the stuff. Now, we can do the switch before, where there was bubbles here and there, to now, which there isn't any. It's adhered to the surface of the glass, which was what we were trying to do, and that's all good to go right now. And Shu is currently trimming the.
I don't know what I'm doing, Nick.
You're doing fine. You're doing fine, honey. So all he's doing is trimming it. So he's working that trimming away.
Is that good?
I mean,
I don't know.
whoa. Be nice. Be nice. And just follow, like I said, just follow it there. Wow. Actually, wow. Good stuff. I'll follow, and then I think I'll follow up with the squeegee that I have here.
Yeah, there you go.
Continue to push it in, and then I'll let him work on that side while I'm working that, and then he can trim the top right over here. And as you see where
Do the same.
you start seeing.
Be live.
Alright. So he's working on that, cutting off the excess over there right now.
I'm done.
You're done? All of it's out? Oh my gosh, you amazing. I like. Can I get you a number?
Hell yeah. It's 210.
210 and...
Your mom.
Oh, didn't see that coming actually. But it is looking amazing right now. Oops, if the camera would focus on the focus. There you go. There. Alright, we cleaned up the mating surface, or I'm sorry, Shu cleaned up the mating surface with his cleaner. And this is actually really nice. I like it. I like. Now we're going to go get the decal and place it on top. We're gonna figure out what kind of orientation you want, how far to the left or right, which I'm pretty sure we're going with a full centered.
Ford Performance sponsor. Sponsor me!
Sponsor. Ford Performance. I'm just gonna put it smack dab right in the middle, because that
They
is...
cover my titties.
Oh no, censorship. Well, no, this you don't have to worry about. It's just the letters. So just push down on the letters. Because this...
Oh, I get what you're saying. So we're gonna peel it off. Bro, you could have told me that the first time.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay, I get what you're saying. Okay, so, okay.
The letters...
Yeah, because I thought we're leaving that shit. I'm stupid. Okay, so boom, boom, boom. Yeah, it looks good. I get what you're saying now. So then after, we're peeling this thing off.
The clear is coming off.
Yeah. I get what you're saying. Okay.
Squeegee. Oh yeah, peel it off. Oh yeah. Dude, this is looking really cool. This is looking really good. Look at this. From back here. Just looking at the window. Wow. Dude, that really makes the car a little bit.
Yeah, like race cars.
Yeah. You made sure your margins were good, right?
What? Talking to me?
Yeah, you.
What about me?
Your spacing on the top and the bottom?
Well, I mean, it's supposed to curve. It's fine. It's done. We can't go back to it.
Well, it still looks good. I like it.
Oh yeah, I know.
I like it. I really do like it. Maybe I should get one for that one over there.
It's only $38 from Rocky Mountain Graphics. Go check them out.
Oh, yeah.
Fast shipping too. Hey, they did an awesome job at the shipping. Just boom, the next day they're shipped.
Next day shipping, but yeah, totally not sponsored, but
not sponsored.
if you want one for your own, there you go.
Yep.
Rocky Mountain Graphics.
And oh shoot. It's fucked up.
Shoot.
What's up?
Shout out to the Facebook guy on Focus RS Enthusiasts on Facebook, the group page. That he's the one that actually told me about the Rocky Mountains graphics. So thank you for that. I don't know your name. I'll add you as a friend. Add me back, please. All right. So Nick and I, we finished the Ford Performance Decal. Look at that.
It was really easy. That was like what, maybe
30 minutes.
less than that actually.
Oh really?
I think it was 20 minutes.
Oh.
Yeah. It's a fast install.
Yeah, it's awesome. Like I said, for 38 bucks, again, awesome little detail for the RS. Thank you again, I appreciate it for helping me out, as always. You might get himself one.
I'm thinking about it.
Maybe not, maybe yes. I mean, yeah.
It was really easy.
Easy.
Two-person job at least, so that way it makes it easier on yourself, and you know, that way don't go insane like it's not sticking right or something.
Boom. All right, we're gonna close this video. See you later.
See ya.